Hey young adults, if you're interested in making hundreds of thousands of dollars, watch this video. I'm going to be going over 3 things that you can do to really start making some money. Hey, I am Mr. Maciek. Thanks so much for watching. In this video, we're going to be talking about 3 ways to get started making big money. And these are just 3 ideas. There are so many other ones that I have. Now, if you enjoy this type of content of learning how to make money, how to invest your money, and really just how to be successful financially, then please subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. Here are the 3 things that we'll be covering. First, we're going to be covering how to buy and sell items. The second idea is going to be all about ebooks. And the third one is going to be about YouTube on your passion. Okay, so number 1 is about buying and selling items. And I'm not talking about buying some candy over at Costco and breaking it down and selling it to your friends. What I'm talking about is bigger ticket items, because on a candy bar, you might make 50 cents. But if you flip a car, or if you flip a boat, or maybe a trailer or a house, then you can make tens of thousands of dollars per sale. And it's really worth it. When it comes to calculating your return on time, then pick the big ticket items, because when you get those at a discount, you are going to sell at a major profit. So when it comes to buying and selling, the most important thing is about buying low. So don't just go and buy from the first person that you find. If you find some estate jewelry, or maybe some antique furniture, or a vehicle, or something like that, that is a high ticket item, you know, anything over $1,000 pretty much, then you really want to search out for the people that are selling it, and they know they're selling it at a discount. They're happy to sell it at a discount because they need a quick exit, and you are the solution for their quick exit. So find people that really need to sell, and then resell that. Well, after you've polished it up, you've cleaned it up, maybe you vacuumed the car and you cleaned it and you polished it and whatever else you've done. So what you want to do is take something that looks a little and then make it nice, spruce it up. Professional photography, or as professional as you can get some filters on that. Whatever you do, just really take it from a deal to an amazing product, and that's how you have to showcase it. I'll tell you, I think the biggest item that you can buy and sell is real estate. So if you go and you place ads for properties, distressed properties, maybe you call every single landlord that has filed an eviction in the last week, and you do that every single week, you are bound to have success. I guarantee it. All you have to do is call them and see if they're interested in selling. There are many tired landlords out there, and if you can go and strike up a deal and put it on a contract, you don't even need to buy the house. It's amazing. You just put it under contract, and then you sell the contract to a flipper or the end user, and you can make between $5,000 and over $100,000 on real estate sales like that. It's all about how good of a deal did you get. So it's also important to polish up your negotiation skills. Now, the second idea is writing ebooks. And what I would recommend here is not just ebooks that you email a PDF, but I'm talking about writing a book that you can then sell as a print on demand through Amazon and other retailers, or you can sell it on Kindle, which does take a little bit of extra work to process it into a Kindle version of it. Now, try to pick something where you don't have to do many or any illustrations on the inside of the book, and also pick something that you are already knowledgeable about, but you don't have to be an expert. So for example, for me, I really love real estate, and I've been in real estate for almost 20 years. So I could write books about being a real estate agent, about buying properties at a discount, about wholesaling them, about flipping them, about being an annual landlord, an annual rental landlord, about code enforcement situations and how to deal with that, about living in Florida as a landlord. You know, there's so many things that I can write, and these could all be individual books from my experience. And if I didn't have all that experience, I can research something that I'm passionate about. Because if you're going to start writing books that you don't know anything about, those books are not going to be successful. I'm not going to write an accounting book. I may know a little bit about accounting, but truly you should be an accountant to write an accounting book, or at least a bookkeeper. Now, after you've written the book, the actual copy, then you can go on Fiverr.com and you can go and find someone who will make an illustration, the front and the back cover, just have the whole thing designed, and then go and add it to Amazon. So after you've created the book and you are all ready to go and sell it, it will take a little bit of advertising. So you can do it a couple ways: sweat equity or money. So you can create some Facebook ads. You can reach out to influencers influencers in your space. So for example, I can reach out to real estate influencers and try to sell a book through paying them to post it, for a day on their Instagram or maybe their Facebook or something like that. And also you can just go and create Facebook ads. These are probably some of the cheapest ways to go about advertising your product, but there are so many other ways, including going on Reddit and just really adding value to that specific niche that you wrote about. And then once in a while, just plug in your book. Now, if you just start spamming Reddit, they're going to ban you. So you really should probably add, write 10 comments for every one plug for yourself that you do. Okay, last but definitely not least is YouTube. Now, once again, go and pick something that you really enjoy. Because if you're gonna go make a YouTube channel about something that you don't care about, for example, real estate, and you have no interest in real estate, it's not gonna be successful. I would recommend you pick something that you do know about. Maybe you were an athlete in high school and you played football and you really love football and you love the game of it and about the footwork and the mechanics of throwing a ball and how to see plays. You can make a YouTube channel all about that. Or maybe you like fixing computers, so you can do little quick tutorials or just record yourself fixing computers and talk it through about what's happening and what you're doing. There is always something that you like that you can make a channel about. Trust me. And just because there's a couple hundred people already in that space does not mean that there won't be some people out there that will really connect with you and your style. Just be authentic, be yourself. Don't be trying to have a persona that is not you. And one thing about being a YouTube creator is that you have so many different ways of actually making money with it. A lot of people think it's just about Google AdSense, which are all those ads that pop up when you watch YouTube videos, and it's not. That is just one of many things you could do to create money and income. I noticed that there are some YouTubers in my space, in the real estate and investing space, who make over $2 million a year from all the different things that they do. Now, they might have courses, they might have the YouTube AdSense revenue, and they also might have some speaking engagements that they get just because they're, a known YouTuber, and they get known because of consistency and because they love what they do. And they are obviously educated in their space, and over time, you will get educated. Even if you don't know all the different plays that you can talk about in football, you will learn because you just naturally enjoy it. And people will see that enthusiasm, and some people will really connect with you and just keep watching your videos over and over. So that is definitely something you should consider. The potential on YouTube is very big, and a lot of people think that it's too late for it, and it's really not. YouTube is still growing. It has more and more subscribers all the time joining the platform. So if there's people out there that have over 100 million, I think you'd be just fine with 100,000 followers making a very good living for yourself. Now, since I am in real estate and I really do enjoy it, I want to inspire you to get into it. Do something, because it has been very good to me and my family. So watch this video right here. It's just going to be talking about the basic steps to take to get started in real estate investing. Thanks for watching.